In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webull to TradingView. This process is straightforward and allows you to seamlessly trade stocks, ETFs, and more directly from TradingView. Let's dive into the steps and make this connection as smooth as possible for you. To start, make sure you have an account for both Webull and TradingView. If you don't have one or the other, you'll need to create those accounts first. Just head over to their respective websites, follow the prompts to sign up, and you'll be all set. It's crucial to have both accounts ready to proceed. Next, log into your Webull account. Ensure your credentials are handy, and keep in mind that sometimes brokerages need your account funded before you can link them to other platforms. Once you're successfully logged into Webull, go ahead and log into TradingView as well. This is where you'll be doing most of the setup. On the TradingView platform, open up a trading panel. It's usually accessible when you're viewing a chart. This panel is your hub for connecting various brokerages, including Webull. If you're unsure where to find the trading panel, it's typically located near the lower part of your chart view or as an option in your account settings. Take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with these tools. Once you have the trading panel open, you'll see a list of brokers. Scroll through this list until you find Webull. When you do, simply select it. The platform will then prompt you to enter your Webull credentials. These are the same login details you used earlier. Carefully input your information to ensure a smooth login process. After entering your credentials, wait for confirmation that your accounts are connected. A clear signal that everything is set up correctly is when Webull shows up on your trading panel with a green dot next to it. This green dot is vital because it indicates that the integration was successful and your account details and trading stats are now accessible from TradingView. Remember, you can only connect one brokerage account at a time to TradingView. If you wish to switch brokers in the future, you'll need to log in again. Once everything is connected, you can start trading directly from TradingView. This is handy as you can manage stocks, depository receipts, and ETFs all in one centralized platform. By following these steps, you've linked Webull to TradingView efficiently. This connectivity opens up a world of trading opportunities directly from the TradingView interface, streamlining your trading activities. I hope this guide has been helpful and you are now ready to explore and trade with ease.